Let's see how old your hearing is. So all you have to do is listen closely and let me know at which point you can no longer hear the sound.
Bet, my brother in Christ. Let's see, because that shit just stopped. I know that didn't actually do that. Let's see. It's going up. It's past 10K. 14? I see it on the spectrogram. Oh, what's that? Your ears are fine. Your ears are just fine. Don't trust that. Don't trust what you see on the internet. Your ears
All
are
right, well, how old
okay.
are you guys?
This dude. This is just engagement farming. Or YouTube broke his video, and in which case, that dude.